You have heard me speaking. I've been a public speaker for quite some time now. I've been speaking at various levels. Especially in this category, there are far and few women who speak up, who has taken public speaking as their profession, and I am one among them. I'm very proud to be that. But let me tell you one thing. It is ABCS. Wondering what it is? It's anybody can speak. Especially public speaking. It's not a rocket science. But the only thing is, we need to really attune our mind, attune our environment, attune ourselves to the world of public speaking. So let me just break it down for you so that you know how you can become a public speaker. What prevents you from not speaking? First question, it's the lack of courage. So you need to have courage to come up on the stage and speak on the topic that's given to you. So it needs a lot of practice. Practice, practice, practice. Otherwise, when you go on the stage, you start shivering, sweating, and it happens to everybody. So for that, what you can do is you can really take in a kind of a cue, and then move on. For me, like probably when I wanted to do the public speaking, few minutes before that, I will walk on the stage so that I take a little breath and hold on to the breath. That becomes my courage. The next is your story has to be very, very authentic. It's not about just giving injunctions and talking to the ceiling and talking to the wall. No, you have an audience before you. So you need to have authenticity about what you speak. You speak the reality. Speak your heart out. Speak your stories. And that real story really catches up everywhere because you are talking the minds of the others. Next, the third stage that I would say is, it is not about finding the voice. It's about amplifying the voice of the others, which means I need to get connected with the audience. And that connection is the one that's going to really storm the entire audience. And that's where you become a true public speaker. These are the three skills that you require. So your story has to be really authentic. It cannot be borrowed from somewhere, here and there and everywhere. And ChatGPT is not going to write your story. You need to write your own story. So write your story, be authentic, and of course, courageous enough to tell your story to the outside world. It is not that all the time you're going to get accolades. There would be people who would criticize you for what you've done. But then, that's where success is. Think about it.